Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.